Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for you today, and we are working with the current mood board, and I'm also working with the July 2021 kits, and I have done kind of a pre-work. I did some fussy cutting and I did some machine cutting, and I just needed to sit down and to get the perfect idea for this project. So yes, I cheated and I started earlier, but we will create this layout together. So I started with the two shimmers paints. They are included in the color kit. Let me check. We have, the first color is an Inklings called Sun-Kissed, and the second one I will use is a Creamies and called Berry Hot. And I'm just adding the color with a piece of plastic to my paper, just because I wanted to have a very messy watercolor looking background, and I don't want it to worry about how it will look. And so I'm just going with a piece of plastic, and I'm just smudging the color down, and I really love to do that. And I love how these two colors are looking next to each other and blended into each other. So I totally love them. And we also have the same colors in the kits and the elements I want to use. And so I'm totally good to go with these two colors. And now you can see I'm just bringing in more color with my brush. I'm splattering and I'm also coloring some of the little areas where I wanted to have some more color. But I am nearly done with my background. I just wanted to have a bit of color peeking out from behind, and so I am totally happy how this turned out. The word summer is from my previous page, and I had it on my desk, and there is the word summer on the mood board, and so I thought I could go with that, and I don't want to waste any cut files, and so I'm happy to use it today. I'm also first I wanted to scrap a picture from my little son in the pool, but the colors were totally not matching. I don't know, so I will change the picture as I go. But now I'm done with my background, and we will start with building up my layout. So everything is dry, and I love the sparkle, I love the shimmer in the colors, and I love how the word summer is looking on top. I love how the white is popping, and I just love it. So I did some machine cutting last week for the leaves, and I had some of them left, and I placed them on a pattern paper, and I just cut around them, and I totally love how they are looking. I don't want to use the silhouette again, so I thought I could just cut them out by hand, because that's not a very difficult shape. And I'm totally happy how the leaves turned out. I also did some fussy cutting on one of the pattern papers for the smaller leaves and the little purple flowers you can see on the right side. And the little palm tree is from the ephemera pack. I just cut off the white border, and I really love how this is looking, or how this is coming together. I grabbed some of the chipboard stickers. They are looking like I don't know the English word, but I totally love the beachy feel to it, and for sure I needed to use some of the rainbow colored mandalas for my background. And now, you can see I'm just building up my little cluster. I decided to go with a heavy cluster on the right side from the layout, and just a tiny bit underneath the first letter. And here you can see I changed the picture, and I like that one much more. There's no bright orange in it. It's just perfectly matching. And I will bring in some tissue paper layers behind the picture, and I'm so sorry about the glare on the mandalas on the right side. I didn't realize it, so I am sorry. I hope it's okay for you. Yeah, now I'm bringing in a lot of tissue paper behind my picture, just because I love the texture, I love the look, I love the feel, and it's giving like a little border around my picture. Even the picture has already a white border around it, but I just love how a tissue paper is looking, and it's giving a soft border, and I just love it. So I believe I have already glued down all of the rest from the layout, just because you don't need to watch me doing that, just because it's kind of boring, you know. But I will bring in some more little bits and bobs. I had the idea of bringing in some butterflies, but they are kind of big for this layout, so I will not use any of them. But I will bring in some more little stickers, some saying I will grab the word relax from the puffy sticker titles or words, and I will just place that under the word summer. And so this is just, it's not, there's not a clever title going on, it's just relax and yeah, I miss those days on the beach, at the sea, and just having the best of time. And so I'm just, yeah, so. So the word relax is on the paper, and now I will grab some of the little chipboard sayings, and we will go with, let me check. Ooh, we will go with chilled summer afternoon, vacay, yes please, water baby, and sunny vibes. And I will also bring in the speech bubble with yes please and the circle, let's go. And I love the how the colors are working together. I really enjoyed the process, and was like a mini vacation on my desk, you know. And yeah, and the kids are just gorgeous, and I love to work with them. And yeah, so just gluing down some more bits and bobs, and I will also grab some animal dots. Like last week, I always have them on my desk, so I will just grab them and add them to my project if needed. And yeah. And I said that, right? I'm working with the July 2021 kids. And you need to check out the Hip Kid Club member forum for the current mood board, so that you can join us. And it's always fun to work with the mood board, or with kind of challenges to get your inspiration flowing and to just have some fun. And you should go and check that out. I will link you in the description box below, so you can have a look for it. And now I'm bringing in some more of the little stickers, just because I wanted to have some of the other colors going on. So I'm going with the peachy tone, with the light blue tone, and I will also bring in one of the light pink tone right there. And I love that, yes. Here I am grabbing, let me think, I believe I will go with some hearts. And but I believe that's it. And then I would just grab the animal dots, or maybe, no, I'm pretty sure I would just go with the animal dots, and then I am done. And I really love how this layout turned out, and I really enjoyed it. So you will get some close-ups and some final pictures at the end. Thank you so very much for stopping by, and I'm sorry about my voice. I'm a bit tired, and I have a headache, so I'm not feeling that good, but I hope it's okay for you to listen. And yeah, so yeah, like I said before, you will get some close-up and some final pictures, and thank you so very much for stopping by. That's it. Talk to you soon. Bye.